Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all the NEET UG 2024 aspirants out there. We are going to discuss the top 10 topics that will help you score 150 plus in NEET UG 2024. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tutorials. Alright, let's start with topic 1. First, anatomy and physiology. इसमें आपको cover करना है skeletal system. You should understand the structure and function of skeletal system, कितनी type की bones होती हैं, joints and their role in movements and support. Second, cardiovascular system. You should study heart, blood vessels, blood composition, how they work together, how to transport oxygen, nutrients, and waste throughout the body. Third, nervous system. Explore central and peripheral nervous system. It's very important, including brain, spinal cord, and various types of nerves and their functions. Next, genetics and evolution. इसमें you should cover up Mendel's laws. What are the fundamental laws and principles of inheritance, dominant, recessive traits, how they govern the transmission of genetic information. Next, genetic variation. What are the sources of genetic variation, mutation, genetic recombination, role of genes in shaping the diversity of living organisms? Third, evolutionary theories. Study the theory of evolution, natural selection, adaptation, and the evidence supporting evolutionary process. Next, ecology and environment. You should cover ecosystem dynamics where you have to understand the interaction between the living organism and their physical environment. You should cover biodiversity and conservation. जितनी भी biodiversity से related important topics हैं, you should cover that, various threats to it, and what are the strategies for sustainable conservation of natural resources. Environmental pollution. Learn different types of environmental pollution, their sources, and impact on living organisms and overall ecosystem. Last, climate change. Understand cause, effects, and mitigation strategies for climate change. Next, cell biology. You have to cover cell structure and function, explore different organelles within cell, their role, how they work together to maintain cell's homeostasis. Cell signaling and communication. Understand the mechanism, how cells receive, process, and respond to different signals from their environment. Understand the role of membrane receptors and intracellular signaling. Third, cell division and cell cycle. What are the different stages of cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis, how these processes ensure replication and genetic division. Next, stem cells and regeneration. What are stem cells? What are their unique properties? What are the potential applications in regenerative medicine? इनका ethical use क्या है? What are the different applications? You should cover all these topics. Next, biochemistry. First, biomolecules. Understand the structure, properties, and functions of major biomolecules, including proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and what are their contributions to the cellular process. Second, जितने भी metabolic pathways हैं जैसे कि cellular respiration, photosynthesis, how they allow organisms to convert energy and materials for growth and survival. Third, enzymes. Enzymes का role क्या है? Explore their catalyzing biochemical reactions, then their mechanism of action and the various mechanism by which enzyme activity is regulated in the body. Next, reproduction and development. In this topic, you should cover gametogenesis, where you have to understand the process of spermatogenesis, oogenesis, which produces male and female gametes respectively, and what are their roles in sexual reproduction. Next, embryonic development. What are the different stages of embryonic development from fertilization to the formation of major organ system, and what are the key mechanisms involved in this process. Third, hormonal regulation. What are different types of hormones and what are their roles in reproductive system, including menstrual cycle, pregnancy and fetal development. Last, parturition and lactation. Study all the physiological processes of childbirth and lactation, how they ensure survival and development of newborn. Last, plant physiology and human health. In this topic, you should cover photosynthesis, the process which plants use to convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose, and its importance in sustaining life on Earth. Plant hormones. What are different plant hormones? What are their roles, such as auxin, cytokinin, and abscisic acid in regulating plant growth, development, and responses to environmental stimuli? Third, medicinal plants. What are the different medicinal plants and their active compounds, how they are used in traditional medicines and modern medicines to treat various human health conditions. Last, nutrition and health. Understand importance of plant-based nutrients, vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals in maintaining human health. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 topics for scoring 150 plus in NEET UG 2024. Remember, consistent effort and dedication are the keys to success. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy studying. Thanks for watching. Bye.